Hey guys, welcome back to another great episode of Stovetop Yum Yum. 12 days of cookies. Christmas is almost here and today is cookie number 2. We're making a peanut butter Reeses cookie. Yum yum. And this episode starts right now. Okay guys, cookie number 2, as I mentioned, we are making a peanut butter Reeses cookie. Yum, yum. So first we're going to start with the ingredients. I have 1.5 cups of AP flour, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and half a teaspoon of salt. What's going to happen is the baking soda will activate it. The difference between the baking soda and the baking powder, with the baking powder, it rises more than with the baking soda. It's the actual chemical reaction that it makes in the cookie dough. All right, and keep in mind though that this recipe, I'm doubling this recipe. This will yield 2 dozen cookies at your normal average cookie size, but I'm doubling my recipe. So if you want to make more than 2 dozen for family or friends, which in my case I have my friends at work, my coworkers that are waiting for these cookies, so I'll double my recipe. But I'm giving you the normal recipe. If you want to double it to make more, just double it. Exact. Remember, the science in baking is pure, strict math. There are no shortcuts and no eyeballing in baking. Okay? Now, the next thing we're going to use is a cup of your favorite peanut butter. A cup of your favorite peanut butter. We are going to use a teaspoon of vanilla extract. I don't use any imitation. Make sure it's pure vanilla extract. It makes a really, really big difference. We have 1 egg, but in my case I have 2 here because I'm doubling my recipe, but it's 1 egg. We're going to use half a bag of peanut butter chips. I'm using the whole bag because I'm doubling my recipe. It's not like a broken record, but I just want to make sure that you guys understand. I also have a bag of Reese's Minis. I'm going to show you how I cut these in half to mix them in our cookie dough, because we don't want too many whole ones in one cookie. And that'll be really, really great. I also have a cup of sugar in my mixer and a stick of butter. Alright, so what we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and cream the butter and the sugar. That'll take about 3 minutes, like with our last cookie. We're going to cream that, and then once this is creamed, you guys, I'll be back. We'll start adding our egg. We'll add our egg, and we'll add the rest of our wet ingredients, our pure vanilla, our peanut butter, and then we're going to add our dry ingredients. Stay with me, you guys. This is one yum yum cookie. Cookie number 2, peanut butter Reese's cookie. Yum yum. You don't want to miss it, guys. I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back. Our wet ingredients are all mixed up in the mixer. You add your egg first, then you add your cup of peanut butter, your teaspoon of vanilla extract, and you mix for about another 3 minutes. And it's nice and smooth and creamy. It smells so peanutty, so delicious. So now we're going to add our dry ingredients. But remember, like I always say, you don't want a snowstorm in your kitchen. Stand mixer, hand mixer, anything is great that you use. Make sure it's on low though, because you would like to avoid a snowstorm in your kitchen. Okay, so now I'm going to put in my my dry ingredients. And it's as simple as that. How easy was that? A cup of sugar, a stick of butter, cream it 3 minutes, add a cup of peanut butter, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and an egg. That's it for 2 dozen cookies. Then we have our baking soda. Remember guys, I'll have it on my website. My baking, with the exact recipe. Baking soda, and we have our teaspoon of salt. Half a teaspoon of each. If you double your recipe, it'll be a whole. So like I said, baking's all about math. It's all about math, and you have to be precise. There's no eyeballing in baking. Because any little overage or underage of any of these are all chemical reactions to how your cookie is going to bake in the oven. So it has to be precise. That's a really, really important to know. Hey, you know what I forgot to do, guys? I forgot to turn my Christmas lights on. Oh my gosh. Hang on a second. Aren't they cute? I love my Christmas lights in my kitchen. I absolutely love them. Woo! So you gotta go slow with this. So once I combine these, my little Reese's cups, the mini ones, not the flat ones, the regular mini ones, what I did was I cut them in half. Because we don't want 3 whole Reese's mini cups in one cookie. You understand? And these are not going to go in the mixer or the chips. That's going to be mixed by hand. Another trick I want to show you guys, so you guys have an idea when I come back, is I'm going to put a tablespoon of flour in the cup with my chips. Do you guys know what that'll do? You coat these with a tablespoon of raw flour. So that's a good secret and good to know. So that way your chips do not sink to the bottom of your cookie. Most of you probably knew that already, and maybe most of you didn't. So it's a good tip to know. Alright guys, so I'm going to finish mixing my dry ingredients. I'll have this beautiful batter. I'll show you what it looks like when we come back. You don't want to miss this. It's yum yum. I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back for a minute. Our dough is ready, but there's one important thing I need to let you know before I continue. And I apologize. This is cookie number 3, not cookie number 2. Cookie number 2 is the previous video that you just watched called the Nutty Grinch cookie. But you lightly dust any cookie with chips in it and your cookie will not sink to the bottom of the cookie. Your chips will not sink to the bottom of the cookie. Good tip. Now we're going to mix these in. Put this whole thing in here and I'm going to mix this. Oh, and preheat your oven at 375 before you start this whole recipe. My apologies. I always forget to say that at the beginning. And so I'll be right back, you guys. This will be mixed, and we'll show you how I put them on the cookie sheet. And you guys, you don't want to miss this. I'll be right back. Guys, I'm back for a minute, and I just wanted to show you. I got my gloves on. This is a pretty sturdy dough. So what I'm doing is probably like a ping pong ball size. We're going to grab it. What I'm doing is real quick, I'm warming the butter. I'm warming it up with my hands so it's easier to roll. So you roll it like this, like a ping pong ball. Put it on your cookie sheet. I decided not to mix these in. I didn't mix them in last time I made these. I don't remember when it was. It was late last year, but I mixed them in last time and it kind of broke up, but I didn't want to break it up. I wanted it to look pretty. So your half, you take it and you put it on your cookie like this. Here's an example of your cookie. Here it is. And check this out, guys. So the first batch is ready to go in. So we're going to put it at a 375 degree oven for 15 minutes. And when I come back, guys, our first batch will be ready, you guys. And you guys, this is some yum yum stuff. You don't want to miss this, you guys. I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back. And I'm so excited. Our first batch is out. Let me show you. Yum, yum. Oh my God, these are so cute. Look at these, guys. Look at that. Oh my God, they're so cute. You know what they remind me of? They remind me of pecan sandies. You guys know, oh my God. Wish I had a smell-o-vision button, you guys. It smells so delicious. Let's try one. Let's see if I can get Carlito to come to try one. Oh, Carlito! Carlito! Yeah. You want to try a cookie? Yeah. He's coming. You better hurry up, I'm filming. Alright guys, let's try one. I'll take one. And Carlito will take one. cookies are so cute. He's coming. I can hear him coming. Are you almost here? Please, I'm filming. Mm-hmm. There you go. Mm-hmm. Say hi to your friend.
Looks yummy.
Hi, Carlito. He's getting ready for bed. It's already a little late here. I worked today, done a lot, so let's try it. You ready? Mm-hmm. Here goes nothing, guys.
Cheers, cheers.
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 It's like, you guys. It's like a pecan sandy cookie. It's like sandy in the middle and crunchy. And I'm not kidding. Please tell me if I'm wrong, Carlito. The peanut butter explodes in your mouth before you even touch the peanut butter cup. Oh my God. Look at the inside of that cookie, you guys. Look how beautiful that inside of that cookie. Oh my God. I'm going to take a bite with the peanut butter cup. How's that? Here it goes. Okay, swallow that cookie. Guys, out of bounds. You can have another one. You can have more. Do you like it?
Yeah.
If you like this video, make sure you hit the like button and don't forget to comment. And if you've already subscribed, thank you so much. We thank you so much. If you haven't, feel free to subscribe and don't forget the bell so you don't miss any episodes. Right, Carlito? Look at the swallowing these cookies. Don't talk with your mouth full.
I'm not hungry anymore. See ya.
Good night, Carlito. He's out. Anyway, guys. Remember, feel free to subscribe and don't forget the bell so you don't miss any episodes. And you guys, we're temporarily living in hard times right now. So let's love one another and let's support one another. And always remember your two main ingredients in the kitchen with any recipe. And that is passion and love. Those are the two main ingredients with any recipe that you make in your kitchen. You will never go wrong using those two main ingredients, passion and love. And as always, you guys, au revoir. I love you. Los quiero. And that was cookie number 3. Our peanut butter Reese's cookie. Yum. Oh my God, it was so delicious, you guys. And remember, you guys, I'll be back for the next episode of Stovetop Yum Yum 12 Days of Cookies with cookie number 4. I can't wait to see you and take great care as always, you guys. Bye.